Third point, leverage. By the way, this year gets you rich fast. This year gets you rich fast. And leverage also matters in getting rich fast. Why? When it comes to fulfillment. Let's start with fulfillment here. A business value is based on its throughput. How much value comes out of your business? Is it a tiny little hole where you can just let 10 grand a month worth of value coming out of it because you're the bottleneck, you're serving every client, you're building all the assets, you're doing all the strategy? Or do you have 50,000 employees all working to build something for the market? Anthropic, they just added $6 billion in ARR in a single month, right? 6 billion. How can you add 6 billion in a single month? It's impossible unless the way that you fulfill is leveraged. So it doesn't matter if you have the right product, the right time. It doesn't matter if you have a positioning that makes you stand out. Are you still the bottleneck in fulfillment? If you are, forget about what? This year. Lesson number 1. The next bottleneck, once you figure out the right positioning, the right thing, is going to be fulfillment, not how to get clients. Because getting clients is easy once you have the right thing. Literally, you don't even have to go looking for them. They're going to come for you, right? But most people don't ever realize this, that as long as you stay stuck in the back end is the thing that's going to kill you. So you have to understand that once you found the right thing, the right market, the right pricing, the right everything, the right value proposition, and people are giving you money, your number one focus as a founder, remove yourself from fulfillment. Boom. You figure that out. How? For us, the way that we did it before AI was through what? Through building these systems. A snapshot on GHL. We would build this playbook. We would document how do we build offers, how do we build this, what's currently working, and we would document it. In a standard process for every single thing we would do was documented. So that what that allows us to do is even a VA could be hired for $5 an hour and run the same playbook for a client that just paid $10,000, and they would get the same amount of value. You have to standardize how you give someone value.